I can film, honest. Okay, guys, so it's quite busy around here by the University Hub today, and we're going out with our friend Becca to have a drink at one of the cafes. Yes, John. So I'm going to show you a bit of Layla finding the cafe, hopefully. Yesterday I didn't film a video because my camera died and had no battery. So sorry about that. I know I promised one every day this month. Wait, got the can't help camera death. So, but it's okay because the other day you had 2 videos. So yeah. Yes, a random person just randomly talking to the video. Your voice may end up on. What's going on? I think it's just me. Good girl, wait. Good girl, up. It's really funny. My friend back is standing next to me and she follows the 2 instructions that I give Layla. It's quite funny. It's actually more too much for you. Me and Becca both had not slept very well last night. I was playing Sims till 5 a.m. and he went to sort parkable places and apparently didn't get in till. What time did you go to bed?
Sometime after 12, possibly after 1, I don't remember. Sort of first week.
So yeah, Huma's a bit tired. Lila's completely not, because she went to bed at 10. The dog is more sensible than the humans.
I want to stay up and watch Star Wars, and it's like, okay, you're sleeping, you have to sleep, and I'm like, no, I want to watch TV. He's seen me then for the third one. That was the third one, the fourth one, sorry.
Could you be any louder? The music, could it be any louder?
My life's a nation, talk no cutie cactus. I hate weed. I want to knock me off from you, dead bro. I hate weed.
I know that because someone in left who was exactly like her did it too.
She was doing it the other day by Poundland. I just think, I don't like it when they're in that little tunnel because it echoes so much. It's not a good place to set up, it's just so loud. It would be okay if you but it just kind of sounds like noise. No, it's not my thing.
I don't mind. I just like the rap in amongst a good song. Because then it's just like a break from the song bit. But other than that, no, I don't.
Like things like Where Is the Song, where there's a chorus and then the verse is a rap.
Yeah.
Another street performer there. Street performers in town. That was kind of cool, actually. Okay, let's find the cafe. Could go find right up. Hey, look at that. There we go. There's the door. Layla is very comfortable. And this is why guide dogs should be allowed in places. Because basically they just sleep. Well earned rest. Well earned rest. You enjoying that? Look at how pretty she is. Give us a twirl. Yeah, so, Becca, have you been on a bit of a spending spree?
Was it? Yeah. But it was only a tenner, the whole thing. So, it was in the sale, so you can't really complain. But you can, because it was spent tenner.
Really? Okay, give us another twirl, because it's pretty. Look at her socks! No, it's okay, Layla was hiding them for the most part. She's wearing bright white socks, which really do not go with that outfit. So, can I zoom? Where's the zoom button?
You don't zoom into my socks.
No, I wanted to zoom into the poodle.
Ah, yes, the poodle.
Oh, there it is. There's the zoom button. I want to zoom into the poodle on your top. Look at that! How cute is that? Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Have you found her tiger?
Yeah.
Tail. Oh yeah, I'm just, my laptop's on because I'm about to download all the clips that I've done today because we've done lots of different filming.
Yeah, we have.
Lots of Layla working, haven't we?
Yep.
And some of Becca being silly.
Yeah. Oh. Because I'm so silly.
So yeah, I'm not wearing anything interesting. Well, I sort of am. Do you want to see what I'm wearing?
Yeah.
Want to hold the?
To me now.
And I'll swap places with you, and then you can show them what I'm wearing. So I'm. Can you see all of me?
Yes.
More or less.
Yeah. It's a very nice dress.
I've had this dress for a long time now. This isn't new, is it?
No.
It's newish, but I
Newish,
haven't worn
but
it today.
no.
But I got it from the same shop that Becca got her skirt on top.
Yeah.
So yeah.
This is cheaper than her dress, too.
I bought mine as a birthday present.
That is true.
That is my justification for it.
Don't you think she looks nice, Layla?
Hello, my baby girl. Yeah, the battery is dying. The battery is dying. So we won't be able to see the whole of this route. But I'll do some more filming later when I get home. This